Is fad an bóthar ó Bangladesh go bóthar na trá, áit rimrí Mohammed Arshad cricket go Garman. Tá Mohammed lurg tearmann in éiring le 3 bliana, agus cónaíar an onad Soláthar Díreach an Gaillimhe. Le 17 anuas, tá cótealaí anuaidir na fhir seo, ar bhíorthirí tearmann iad féin. Cricket and sport dúchasa ag bhormhór.
I want to be coaching these guys, and in future, hopefully Ireland get very good talent from Galway.
Ring cricket éireann an trálbh bhronnúir na fhir. CóPháirtíocht Chathair na Gaillimhe ring an chláir traenála a Reachtal.
Hasty when Jashna Horch Goji na fair direct provision in Aliov Kunkunova Horch Thoav Heave Slancha Inchna August Slancha Physicule Gemmer Golorgin a fair show cricket Valia Ta Sulagain Togal Aaron Claramock on show August Ferrin Crickage Kerr Airborne.
Léirí rinch fhar ní aine leis na canílatha marachtála bhín córas Soláthar Díreach, agus bhín bhfuil a leis an bpróiseas siartha tearmann.
We have lots of people who are waiting more than 3-4 years, and some of them are more than 8 and 9 years as well. The system is not working well.
There's na further lormuch leo go bhain dan sult as an chláir traenála.
Today we played very excitingly, and that was a challenging game what we played today.
Níl cailinn cricket ar Gaillimhe, ach ní fis na mé ahrúir sin na maihan seo. Sin ó Coirín, nó TG Chathair.